Do you believe in the power of the universe? Do you feel like universe is listening to you? Have you ever asked something from the universe that got true? If yes, then knowingly or unknowingly, you have used the law of attraction. Hello viewers, welcome to my channel where we discuss more about self-development and its powers. In today's video, we are going to talk about the law of attraction. If you are new here, do subscribe to my channel to get notified whenever I come with a new video. Let's begin. Many people have different views related to the law of attraction. Some people say the law of attraction is a myth. Some say it's just a rotten belief, while some follow the law of attraction blindly. Acknowledging different school of thoughts, the main question that arises, does law of attraction really works? Well, yes, it does. It has worked for many people and for me too. People out there share a belief that the law of attraction is used to materialize your dreams. Doesn't it sound too desperate? Some people think that they will lie on their couch, keep on thinking about what they want, and universe will gift them with that thing. In my experience, you will get what matters to you the most, and you cannot just fool around with the idea of something that you just want to happen without your efforts or actions. When you value something more, you wouldn't be able to resist yourself from working. When you take a step forward in the direction of your goal, the universe catches your vibe and starts aligning things for you to reach your goal. If you want to know the right way to use the law of attraction in your favor, then the only way to effectively use this law is to start believing that you already have what you seek. Yes, you heard it right. If you want to become a successful businessman or a doctor or lawyer, then start believing from today that you are the one. This is because you will attract into your life whatever you focus on. Once you have left your desire out in the universe and start believing that you already have what you want, then just let it go. Make it like it's just another day because you already have it. It's all about your belief in yourself and the universe, because it's not just the universe that helps you get what you desire. As Swami Vivekananda said, all the power in the universe are already within us. It is we who have put our hands before our eyes and cry that it is dark. So it is when you and the unknown powers around you are aligned to same frequency of vibrations, you attract what you want. Your thoughts are nothing but vibrations that are real, measurable, and even more powerful. Everything in this world or universe is made up of energy and vibrates at certain frequency. Human body is made up of cells and atoms that are vibrating at certain frequency to bind it together. The chairs has molecules and atoms that are vibrating at a frequency to make it together. Similarly, your thoughts are also vibrating at certain frequency. When you start vibrating with frequency of a thing you really want, you infuse your energy into that thought to attract it more easily. Every single thought you have is a statement of your desires to the universe. The thoughts you think today, beliefs you nurture, feelings you feel today, and actions you take will determine your experiences tomorrow. So, it is very important that you begin to think and behave in a positive way that is in alignment with your goal, where you want to be, what you want to do, and the experiences you want to attain in your life. In this video so far, we have learned how you could start using the law of attraction to turn your dreams into reality, and also how your firm belief in you and your efforts will help you to remain on track and achieve more. Similarly, have you ever tried implementing the law of attraction in your life? Let us know in the comment section how you implemented it and how it helped you. If you like this video, share it with your friends who need to know how the law of attraction and universe works and how they can use it for their benefit. See you in the next video. Till then, dream wise. Thank you.